CoConstruct is a game changer when it comes to improving job site communication. If you're struggling to keep everyone on the same page during your projects, this software can help streamline communication, reduce errors, and keep your team connected no matter where they are. Stick around till the end, because I'll share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of CoConstruct so you can try it for yourself. So let's dive right into how CoConstruct transforms communication on job sites. First, let's talk about its centralized messaging system. CoConstruct brings all project-related communication into one platform, which eliminates the need for endless email chains and missed texts. You can send messages directly to your team, subcontractors, or clients, ensuring everyone gets the right information in real time. This dramatically reduces the chances of important updates slipping through the cracks. Next thing, *** real-time updates and notifications ***. With CoConstruct, team members are instantly notified when there are changes or updates on the project. Whether it's a new task, a scheduling change, or a client request, your team stays in the loop without having to constantly check for updates. This feature is a massive time saver and ensures no one is out of the loop. The third thing to consider is its project management integration. CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with your project management tasks, making it easier to communicate about specific jobs, deadlines, or issues without confusion. You can attach documents, photos, and even mark project milestones all within the communication threads. This makes it so much easier to track progress and share feedback in a way that's organized and accessible. Now, let's talk about client communication. One of the standout features of CoConstruct is how it keeps clients in the loop while still allowing you to manage your team effectively. Clients can get updates through the platform, and you can share daily logs, project timelines, and changes in scope, all without needing to constantly reach out individually. This saves you time and makes your clients feel involved, which can lead to higher satisfaction. Next up, *** task assignments and delegation ***. CoConstruct allows you to assign specific tasks to your team members directly within the platform. No more confusion about who's responsible for what or having to repeat instructions. Everything is clear, and you can even set reminders to ensure tasks are completed on time. This keeps everyone on track and ensures nothing is overlooked. Finally, CoConstruct has a feature that's all about visual communication. Using photos, video clips, and even custom diagrams, you can communicate clearly and visually, helping to avoid misunderstandings. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, CoConstruct makes it easy to include them directly in your messages and project updates. To wrap it up, CoConstruct is all about streamlining communication and keeping your team aligned. If you're looking to improve job site communication, this software is one of the best tools out there. And the best part? You can try it for free, thanks to an exclusive extended free trial. Just use the first link in the description below to get started today. So, if you're tired of juggling multiple communication channels and want a tool that keeps everything in one place, CoConstruct is definitely worth exploring. You've got nothing to lose with this extended free trial, so go ahead and try it for yourself.